Yo, yo. Good morning. Good morning. Go, baby. All right. We're ready this morning. All right, let's check out what we got on gold here. Okay, so we got a kind of a slightly bearish candle yesterday. Bearish today, but looks like it wants to come up. Got the 4 hour moving up, no bottom wick. Could be making a top wick to go down, but we'll have to see about that. Looks like we got a 30-minute zone here. Looks like we got kind of a 30-minute zone up here. Go to the 15-minute, a little higher. Yeah, it looks like you got a closure. Did get a closure above. Oops. Hold up. Did not get a closure on the 30. I guess if you wanted to get technical, you maybe did. I don't know. Not something I'm interested in taking. Not something I'm interested in without getting a confirmation there. Check out the 4 hour. Got a zone down here. Yeah, zone down there. Also got this area up here. It wants to reject. Kind of up here. Got a lot of support, rejection up there. So that'd be an area I'd be looking at. It's also the 4 hour rejection zone. So that'd be an area up there I'd be looking for to reject if it wants to. Otherwise, big zone is like way up here. Way up there. But I'm in no hurry to take a trade. We're up 1100 on all three accounts, so I'm in no rush to blow that. We'll see what price tells us today. Side note, the USA let me down again in the World Cup. I wish I could say I didn't see it coming, but I saw it coming. Let's check out NQ. That's gas. Why does it always do this now? Daily bearish. Kind of chopping around in this big old chop fest here on the daily, though. There's no like, I mean, you've got up here, you got down here, and it's just kind of all been chopping around in here. Look at the 4 hour. Got kind of a different zone down there. Different zone here. Yeah, I mean, I think for me, morning Ohio. Yeah, I think for me, what I'm looking for. Buys above there at least. at least above there. Sells down here. Pretty straightforward on here, to be honest. That's kind of what I'm looking for here. And then we wait. Already got a W. We do from yesterday. So I took... What did I take? I took this one. Where is it? I think I took this. Yeah, I think I took that one. We got a small closure back below. And then waited for a top wick here. And then on the flip, that's when I did it. This was, yeah, this was way after. This was last night. Asian session. I think it was that one. Or it was... Yeah, the game was awful. They looked horrible. They looked absolutely terrible. Or I took... No, I took this one. It was gold, not Nasdaq. I took this one here. From like up here. From like this. Because it kind of broke out of this range. And then the buyers came in but left little wick at the top. So I just kind of anticipated it to go back down. Waited for a wick. And boom. And boom. That's it. Yeah, the USA looked horrible, man. I'm not gonna lie. It looked absolutely terrible. They were just like, they made so many mistakes, like simple mistakes that like high school teams make. Pretty sad to watch, but it's all good. But you know what today is, Ohio? You know what today is? Today is Messi. Argentina. Messi plays at 11 a.m. Come on. Go. Messi. No, at 11. Oh, you probably can't see my shirt, can you? You'd like this one. Yeah. Not good. My contact's already bugging. Can't be good. Yeah, this is gospel golf. I like this shirt. I like it. Is the music too loud, Ohio, or is it good? Okay. I think I turned it up a little higher today, but I'm not sure. Nine line, what's that? Have I heard of that? Nine line apparel, veteran inspired. Is that the one? Nice. You get your whiskey glasses? I actually think I have something like that. I have those. Negative. All right, guys. So for news today, we got absolutely nothing. I mean, however, this must have been rescheduled. Oh, this is from June 13th. We got ADP employment change from June 13th. For some reason. Also with this. Are these normally yellow folders? I could have swore these were different. Yeah, so it's a pretty lame news week. There's pretty much nothing. Except for tomorrow. Tomorrow at 1 o'clock, we got the FOMC. That's about it. Jeez. Not a lot going on. Volume's just going to have to be there itself, you know? Which looks like gold's not having any issues here. So the 1 hour looks like we're getting a closure here in 20 seconds. We're getting a closure on the 1 hour with no bottom wick and maybe no top wick. Like maybe both. Maybe both. This is the zone I'm looking at up here. Oh, I guess it does have a bottom wick. Sorry, I was on the 4 hour. But yeah, no top wick. It is approaching that 4 hour zone up there. And it is running with no bottom wick at the moment. If I was going to take a sell, this is not the place I would take it. Yeah, I would have to wait. If anything, I'd have to wait till it gets up into the zone. It's gotta be up there for sure. It's gotta be. Can't take it down there. I kind of like sells on NQ. Honestly, it's kind of like the sell I took last night. Okay, where's the 4 hour? The 4 hour high is up there. I don't know. Like last night, I looked for a rejection right like up into here, making a top wick. You guys made friends on casuals? How'd you do that? Because you had like 40 kills? Like, man, you gotta play with us all the time. Casual players love me. Classic. Is this a shot I want to take, though, at the moment? I think it is. It looks pretty good. Does look pretty good right there. Double dirt kills. Yeah, I mean, this is like the spot right here. I think that I would take it. I don't like how it isn't struggling pushing up though. Not really struggling there much. Also, the 4-hour highs up here, so getting pretty close. There's the struggle. Now it's struggling. We'll set one. We'll set one. I like that risk. Look at that top wick. Look at that top wick. Gonna go without us. I'm gonna delete it. We may be right about this, but look at that top wick. Guys, everybody like the stream if you could, please. By everybody, I mean you. I already did it. Can we get some hearts in the chat for Ohio TTV over there? Incredible. Good thing we didn't enter in. See, it's probably coming for this. Oh, good thing we stayed out. Yeah, I mean, we did get a closure on the 30-minute above, but it's way above. Like, this already went through the whole range I would have taken the trade on. We really needed a closure, like, down here. You know, something down here, and then we look to fill up here. So. Oh, you guys want my drawing? That's what you want. Let me get that pen ready just in case. In case we need it. All right. So it is pushing up close to the zone. 4-hour going with no bottom wick at all. Could be crazy. Could be. Coming right into the zone. Okay. See what happens around here. See what happens. Probably get rid of this. Probably get rid of that. So right now, this is just kind of the zone we're looking at to see if it's going to reject. Pretty much. Could trade the combine, or I mean the XFA. So we are actually on 4 green days. We just need 1 more green day, but we don't have a lot of profit. So this is where I would have set it for. Actually, let's see. Pushed too far. Pushed too far. Might just blow past this whole thing. Don't exactly like how far it pushed, but it did break the highs here. Might be worth a shot.
Order filled.
All right. Oh, we're in there. We are in. Yeah, I'm going to move to break even right now, actually. Just in case. Just in case. I don't want this thing just blowing past all of this with some speed. You know what I mean? With some speed on it. Actually, we only need like 200. But that's all right. If it wants to go back, that's fine. I'm totally fine with that. Order filled. All right, break even. Break even. Yeah, I mean, I just didn't trust it to. It wasn't going down fast enough up here. I'm okay taking the shot. You know, when it breaks all the previous highs, usually it fakes you out and comes all the way back down. But it has to happen faster than that a lot of times. Or I'd like to see it faster. So I'm okay taking a shot there and then just getting out if it doesn't go. So no harm, no foul. But because if that did go, we're making 1,000 easy. 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 We do have only get one shot, one opportunity. We do have a 15-minute closure here in about 2 minutes, though. Like in my eyes, the way I think about it is that's a shot worth taking. Like you're coming into a 4-hour zone. And I mean, don't get me wrong, this could still reject up here, yeah, like with these wicks. But it's no longer safe for me if it doesn't start moving with some speed, some volume. So, I mean, you move to break even, it hits it, you lose nothing. You know? So, it don't matter. You may get a closure above as well, but I think at this point, it's probably too overextended for me to just take another buy if that does close. Yeah, I think I would need to see it make another support down here. Might fill the entire range anyways. Look at that 4-hour with no bottom wick. Going straight up. So this is more like the zone up here then. Yeah, it's skyrocket. It's Goldie skyrocket time. All right, we did get a 15-minute closure, but like I said, I mean, this has just been moving up, 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 up. It's too overextended for me. I mean, what we need to see is like, need to see something like this, honestly. Something like this, and then I know these drawings are awesome. Needs to create a support, basically. Needs to create a support there. Is what I'm trying to draw. Because it's just too far. Too far gone. It's already like halfway in the range as well. So, let me look left if there's anything. Yeah. All right, so this will be the next zone up here I'd be looking at. Now we wait. Goldie's in rocket ship mode. Goldie's wild, man. Don't make fun of me. You're not cool with the lingo yet. Goldie's wild, man. We got one break even. I'm only counting the trades that I do on stream, and I'm keeping a running total. If I can see, maybe eventually I'll put like a lifetime tracker up, like where we're at, our record. Man, our bleeder candle yesterday didn't work. It didn't work, man. We even had a bleeder candle and everything. Just didn't work. Didn't work for us. Goldie's wild, man. Maybe I'll stream some COD today and just have the game up on the left here. Maybe it'll work. I don't know. Maybe it'll work. Or on the right. I don't know. I already struggle with playing anyways. With this internet, apparently. All right, we're gonna wait for 7:30. We've got to. Check out NQ. Box 1 didn't work. You have to like subscribe or something. You gotta like log in with your TV provider. I don't have a TV provider. I don't know what that means. I got Hulu. I watched it on Hulu Live, so on Fox. So there comes the bleeder. So the 1 hour finally making its giant top wick. Can I do this? There we go. Yo, that's insane though. Yeah, but you gotta like pay for it. Dang, we got that bleeder. See, this is where I wanted to take it, which wouldn't have been good. Like for sells. I would have been maybe right in the direction, but it would have been way too early. Because it wanted to go all the way up, apparently. But that 30-minute, we'll see how that closes. Yeah, what you talking about, Willis? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Okay, so our sells Would have been nice. We were just a bit early again. They wanted to come up here, apparently. To a little higher zone. Which I almost marked that out, but it just doesn't make as much sense. I don't think. Yeah, maybe. Come on. So will it close below here on the 30? Will it? Will it? Will it? Hold up. Look at that rejection. All right, we got about 5 minutes. $30-minute closure. Yo, this song is lit. We were just a bit early, and those stops would have been just more than I was willing to risk up there at that point. Also, what sucks is we had our stops in like a little bit of profit, and we still got negative $14. Messed up. That's messed up. Gotta love it. See what it wants to do here. What are we doing, Goldie? See what it wants to do. Is it just on a run today? Kind of looks that way, huh? Kind of looks like it. All right, we got 30 seconds. 30-minute closure. Three seconds. It slightly closed above, but again, this is way too overextended for me, at least for buys. So I can't take anything there. At least buys. No buys for me. Plus that 1 hour is still open. Yeah. I'd be more open to just taking a sell up here, honestly. Since that 1 hour still looks like that. Maybe giving it another shot. But I think I would have to see it come up higher. Maybe a little bit. Yeah, spam those hearts. Come on. Might go without us here. We'll see. We'll see. Oh man, my contact. Haven't even been in that long. Already bugging me. See what gold wants to do, man. I'd like to see it come back up. Maybe break this a little bit and then come down. What win streak? You and Matt? Dang. You lost a win streak, man. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Yeah, I mean, this... I don't want to give it another shot, but I really wanted to see it come up a little bit. A little bit. We got a third? You did? Yeah, 1 hour still open. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna give it a shot here. On the break of this low. Give it another shot. The only thing I don't like is the volume at the moment. I don't like the volume on this. Kind of struggling.
Order filled.
We got slipped a little too, man. I've been getting slipped a lot on here. Like recently. Been getting slipped. And I'm still peeling from a sunburn like forever ago. You hate to see it. Absolutely hate to see it. All right, this is the part I needed to reject a little faster. A little faster. I'm just not sure if the 4 hour wants to come down and go this far, like, or that bottom wick. Does it want to come all the way down? You know? Having a hard time right now. Having a tough time. Kind of sitting here, isn't it? I mean, it could quite possibly come down for that wick, but we don't know for sure. We don't know. And I still like that 1 hour so far. I don't know. We'll see how a 15-minute closure ends up here in like 6 minutes, if we make it that long. Yeah, it's just like going back and forth in this little range here. 5-minute candle. Figures. Yeah. Just kind of trolling in this area, man. Got about 4.5 minutes. Let's do a 1-to-1. Like I said, I don't know if it wants to come down and make that 4-hour bottom wick or not, but if it did, I mean, that would be fantastic. But I don't know if it could come down and then struggle back up, and then, who knows when that's going to happen. Got about 3 minutes. $15-minute closure coming up. And my arms are peeling, man. The arms are peeling. Typical redhead problems. Kind of wanted to see how this 15-minute closes, but man, struggling to come down, that's for sure. You'd get a sunburn in Alaska? Nah, listen, bud. Yeah, probably from the snow. Snow burn. The snow burn. All right, we got about a minute here for closure. Not loving this, if I'm being honest. No longer loving it. – 15 seconds. Yeah, it's just sitting here, man. Not loving it. However, that 15-minute did close below the 15-minute. So that does give me a little bit of hope. A little bit of hope closing below the 15-minute resistance up there. Slightly. A little bit of hope. Oh. Wait. Okay, now just bleed. Okay. Let's do it. Don't do it, Goldie. Let me help you. Let me help you. Bleeder candle drawn. You know what to do. You know what to do. Man, it just wants to go up so bad. Wants to go up so bad, man. Don't do it, Debbie. Don't you do it. Doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. But we drew the bleeder candle. We drew it. Could it possibly do it? Could it? Could it? And there's just not much happening. Not much happening on Goldie.
Don't try this yourself. It's extremely dangerous.
All right, we got my bleeder candle drawn. Need some downward momentum here. We needs it. All right, well, Goldie needs to be like poked with something or something. I'm not sure what's going on over there. Nasdaq kind of selling a little bit. We got in the 1 hour. They had the 1 hour maybe coming for its lows. Maybe. Goldie about to stop us out. Seems like.
Order filled.
Yeah. Stopped us out, man. Order filled, Debbie. Unbelievable. All right, Nasdaq. Yeah, Nasdaq just coming down. We got about 9 minutes for another 1 hour closure. I'll be right back. All right. Nasdaq's still coming down. We got about 3 minutes here for an hour. Our closure. We took our shot here on gold. Unfortunately, it didn't work out. But that's okay. Lost a little bit on the XFA. Yeah, this looks like it just wants to keep running, bro. Maybe. Have to wait for a 1 hour closure here to see where Goldie ends up. Still up 1100 times 3 on the combines. However, we're looking good on those. One hour just continues to roll up on Goldie. Got about a minute. A lot of volume coming in right there. Wow. Goldie's running. Straight up. Goldie's running up, man. All right, we got a 30-minute, a 1 hour closure here. Immediately running up. Immediately. However, it did close no top wick. Coming into this zone. It doesn't look bad there. Doesn't look bad.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out.
Were we just a bit early?
Renewing seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits. You can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been fighting ways to get away, to see you again, see you again.
Coming back down. We were just a bit early, huh? A bit early.
We got millions of reasons to let it all go. Hope we're not too broken. I know I'm not always strong. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, been fighting ways to get away, to see you again.
All right, let me change this. Let me change it. Yeah, look at that now. That figures. This is what we were looking for. We were just a bit early, man. A little bit.
Memories die out too hard. We were traveling mountains just to find the loudest seas. We set down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees waiting for the
Oh man.
knowing there's nowhere to go.
So we'll wait 10 minutes, see what a 15-minute closer looks like.
Wanna be my farmland, I don't ever want to leave. I'm in a tropic club. I remember the ocean. Memories die out too hard.
I don't even remember. Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
Find the loudest seas. Set down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland.
I'm too slow. I'm way too slow, bro. Why can't I do anything? Oh, I'm in check. Oh, that's messed up. That's actually a really good play. That's unfortunate. All right, well. Yeah, we didn't see that. We didn't see that. Dude, how's everybody so good at chess, man? I just hop on to mess around. How are they all so good? They just play chess all day? I just play it when I'm bored. Man, we were just a bit early on that trade. You know, I will say our direction lately has been on point, though. It's just our timing. A little bit of our timing. Direction's been good, though. Five minutes. That's so annoying. But it happens. Just wanted to come up a bit higher than what we anticipated. It would be interesting if the 4-hour wants to come all the way down here in like 45 minutes. That'd be kind of insane. I'm not saying that is going to happen, but highly unlikely. But you never know. That's the trade you want to be in. All I can hang around for today is 8:30 here, and then I got a dip. So we'll probably end the stream shortly after 8:30. Then I gotta go. Got about a minute and a half on a 15-minute closure here. Nasdaq's just kind of chopping around. All right, we got a 15-minute closure here. Still just chilling. Chilling. Nothing, man. We gotta wait for 8:30 still. Another 15 minutes. See what happens. All right, I'll be right back. Can't believe you're leaving me. I gotta leave you here at 8:30, man. All right, what do we got on NQ? NQ is just ripping down here. 4 hour coming for the 4 hour lows, looks like. 1 hour. Ripping down. Could get a 30-minute closure all the way down here. But that looks like a huge range. Yeah. 128-point range. See what happens here in 7 minutes. 7 minutes. All right, we're gonna play another one of these nerds. Bro, how is everyone so good at chess? I can't even think that fast. I'm just going for it, man. We're just going for it. Yeah. We're just going wild, man. We're going rogue. Oh, that ain't gonna do it. Oh, snap. Oh, please. Okay. You hate to see it. All right, you absolutely hate to see it. Did I not kill that guy? Oh, I can't do that. I can do that, though. I'm toast. We're absolutely chalked here. Oof. Yeah, check, buddy. Check. What? Well, that ain't good. Is that over? Nope. Is that over? Checkmate? Get out of here. Get out of here. How's everybody so good at chess, man? Get a life. Get a life. Go check on Goldie. All right, gold is still here, man. We got about 3 minutes. 3 minutes for a closure here at 8:30. Should bring in the volume. It should. Come on. Gotta wait 2.5 minutes. Wait for this closure, man.
Now we won't go back home today, until the very last hour.
Ow.
We still got few more days to slay, it's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body.
Looks like NQ is going down as well.
Everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and
2 minutes. Then we full margin all these accounts. Thoughts? Is that a negative? Oh. Will it give us anything here at 9:30 or 8:30? Excuse me. I almost said the fake time. Almost said Ohio's fake time. One minute. All right, 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Maybe some fireworks. It closed in the range. Closed in the range. Check NQ. It also closed in the range. Wow. Nothing. Nothing here. That's criminal. Does NQ want a full pack runner today? Does it? Does it? Yeah, absolutely nothing. Wow. You hate to see it. Goldie chopping. You hate to see it. All right, well, no closure here at 8:30, chat. Sorry. Nothing. Nothing. But I got to cut out a little bit early. I appreciate you guys, man. Stay out of trouble. Okay? Don't do anything stupid that you're going to regret that you can't trade tomorrow. All right? I will catch you guys tomorrow. All right? Peace out.